All right, let's go out in the field, hit the 2 jumps a couple times to get warmed up, and then we're gonna go out to this new, like, freshly laid wooden track thing for this power line strip. We're gonna go check it out. It should be pretty fun. I'll watch this.
Airball.
Yeah, come on. Then just drag it under. All right, just don't lose your key doing that. Because you have nothing tied to it, you may not even be able to see it. Ready to hit the jumps?
Yeah, let's do it.
Are you in sport mode? No. No, you're going pretty fast. All right, let's go to the wooden dock things. You ready? I know you don't like going on the road.
I know. Let's go.
We're gonna go on the road. Carly's scared to go on the road.
The busy one.
But we got to get to those wooden dock things. It's going to be really cool. It's like a power line strip that they're building and it's covered in wood. So we got to go check it out. All right, next video, Carly's going to put some good pegs and good grips on. You got to be like this. These are not so good. Look at this one. It rotates. That's not good.
My feet fall off.
And her feet fall off. You got to get secured. All right, should we go through the grass? All right, go. Ah. Oh, it's wet. Careful, it's wet. You might slide. Ah. Whoa. This was not here before. This is really cool. This has a lot of potential. Look at this. Future jumps. Oh. Come on. All right, we're here. I know, I see it, I see it. Let's go, baby. We just saw this guy, let's go. This guy's got the right idea. Dude. Dude, this is awesome. This is so cool. I can't believe that guy. We were like worried about doing this because there's like some guy like outside, and right as we were about to do it, this guy on that quad thing just started ripping by with his kid. This is so sick. Can you imagine how much this wood costs? One 2x4 is $7, and one of these is about 10 2x4s. Hey. Just trade helmets for a sec.
Bro.
All right, Carly's gonna try my helmet because it's got the mounts on it.
Is it recording?
All right. Oh God. Okay, ready?
I want my helmet back. This one's too loose. I feel like a bobblehead.
This is so cool. All right, ready?
Yeah. Huh?
You gotta go slow over edges like that so you don't pop it. Short but sweet.
That's
Short
fun.
but sweet. Carly's not happy. Her helmet's too big now.
I want my goggles.
Here. All right, my helmet back. Her helmet back. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna look for a jump. Alright, the tires are still good despite slamming on the brakes on the wood. Anyway, this trail was sick and there's going to be a lot more of these built around here, so we'll keep you updated. Right? We'll keep them updated.
We'll keep them updated.
Hey man.